Hello friends, today we'll tell you about such an option as a vacuum table of a milling machine, what is needed for, and the principle of its operation. Vacuum tables are used to quickly secure sheet material on the surface of the table. It takes seconds to clamp the material, and you can machine the entire plane of the material without an allowance for fixtures. Due to the strong traction, the vacuum table not only fixes but also levels the material to be treated. For a qualitative result of the work, it is very important that the surface of the material to be treated is even. Let's talk about the design. The vacuum table is divided into zones, each of which is turned on separately with a ball valve. These zones are connected to the pump by means of PVC tubes with reinforcements. The lattice surface of the vacuum table allows you to confine the area you want with a rubber cord to handle small workpieces. For through cutting on the vacuum table, the most common application is a substrate, the so-called Sacrificial Table. It is designed to protect the table itself from damage and comes in two types, perforated and solid. As a rule, the perforated one is two sheets of PVC with holes through which the air holds the material or part. The solid sheet is used with pumps, which can create a vacuum of close to 1 atmosphere. It's usually used as a porous material such as MDF or medium density fiberboard. Workpiece is pressed as air goes through the pores in the material. The vacuum tables on Wattsan machines use one or more vortex vacuum pumps from 5.5 kilowatts to 7.5 kilowatts, depending on the size of the work area. In case you do not have the need for a vacuum clamp, the machine comes with a T-slot table. We can also equip the vacuum table with already bought Wattsan milling machine with the size of the working field 600 by 900 and more. We will be glad to help you in a choice of accessories and make or establish the suitable for you and your purposes complete set of the equipment.